Here it is. We've got the Lasko 16-inch oscillating multi-purpose pedestal fan. We're going to put it together. All right, so here we have the motor. All right, and it's got the cord on it. We'll set that there. Here we have the pedestal. Now you can make it go up and down, and then you can tighten it just like that. We'll set that there. Then we have all the parts. All right, so this is the base. That is the base. That's where the pedestal goes. All right, this is the front. See, it says Lasko. Set that there. There's the directions. We don't need those. And this, it goes on to the housing of the motor. Set that there. Then we have the fan. Put that there. We have two attachments. All right, so you have these two attachments. We'll need those. All right, let's put this thing together. All right, now we're going to put this thing together. All right, first things first, we're going to get our pedestal. We're going to stick it right in there, this end of it, just like that. Bam, done. Next, we're going to take the motor right here. It's going to go right on there. Bam, and done. Let's tighten this down. I'm keeping it low so that you guys can see. All right, so now that's on, okay? All right, so next you're gonna see there's a little indentation here. And if you look on here, you're gonna see a little indentation. This is gonna go on this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna match this up, push that on just like that. Next, I've gotta get this piece here, and we're gonna go ahead and screw that on. Now I think it might go lefty. I might have to go to the left or the right. Let's see. It goes on one way. Here we go. All right, so that is on there. Okay, good. All right, now we got to put the fan blade on. All right, so notice fan blade's got some indentations there. And if you look here on this, you're going to see there's two little posts. So this has to fit on those, on that area there. So we're going to go ahead and slide that in. Get it on, bam, done. Then we're going to take this and we're going to screw this on. And I'm not sure which way. Yeah, I got to go opposite. We're going to get that nice and tight. All right, now if you look, there's little channels here, all the way around, all the way around here, all the way around. And on here, there's a little, you see this? There's just a little track. And I just got to get this thing facing forward. And then I'm just going to go down to the bottom. I'm just going to kind of squeeze it on. Just like that. And we're done. Bam. Fan is ready to go. How do you like those apples? So I'm just going to plug it in down here. Yeah, I got to go left. Let's put her in there. And let's put this to on. It's plugged in. And bam, Bob's your uncle, it's running. So anyway, here, there's 0, right? There's the strongest, which is 3. Oops, sorry about that, Alexa. All right, here's 2. A little bit less, right? There's 1. So it's got 3 speeds. This is the lightest, and 3 is the heaviest. If you don't want it to move, you just pull that up. Push it down, it moves. Pull it up, doesn't move. Push it down, it moves. All right, that's it. Turn it off, go to 0. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on this thing right here. Bam.